Now the steps of strategic management process. It has 4 steps. We'll discuss one by one. What is strategic planning? Strategic planning is an organizational management activity that is used to set priorities, focus and energy and resources of operations, which is helpful to achieve the organization goals. So strategic planning is the long range planning process which helps to achieve the goals. The second one is strategic formulation. Now, what is strategic formulation? Strategy formulation is the process by which an organization chooses the most appropriate courses of action to achieve its defined goals. Means through the strategy formulation we can choose the best way to achieve our desired goals, or what we have to achieve that goal. The next one is strategic implementation. Strategic implementation refers, or it means, to the process of executing plans and strategy to achieving goals. Now the last stage is strategic evaluation. Strategic evaluation means collecting the information about the strategic plan, how the strategic plan is progressing to achieve the goal. Now the topic is factors influencing company's goal. Now we will discuss what factors influencing the company's strategy. The first one is company's image and brand quality. Company have every time they have to mention their companies have to every time very careful about their image and brand quality, because every time customer had attract only about the quality of the product. See, some companies, some customers are preferring the particular brand due to this quality. So they have to every time they have to careful about the quality of the product, and they have to careful about their company's image. Human resources. Human resources of any organization is that department which deals with the hiring, administrations and training of the staff. So while selection of the human resources department, they should to choose the right person who can manage the hiring and the administration and the training of the staff task in the right way. The third one is value system. What is value system? Value system is that value system is that process which satisfies the human desires. So while making the strategy to achieve the goals of the companies, they should to mind what the humans desire, by which the customer will get satisfied. The next one is physical assets and facility. Physical asset, it's related to the commercial or economic terms, which is the materialistic. So they should to while making the strategy for the for any company, the person who's making strategy, they should to mind that what the company employees had need to physical assets and what kind of facilities is required to develop an organization. Marketing resources is an activity to add to company marketing activities. It is helps to the team and the budget for the marketing companies, and marketing resources also helps while the advertisement of the company's products and the services. Financial factor is the most important term of any organization, because if you don't have the capital, then how will go through your plan to achieve your goals and to make any products. So financial factors refers to the financial condition of the company. So while executing any plans, you should to uh, very careful about your financial status of your organization.